New Hope police are warning residents to be alert after someone vandalized several stop signs. The incidents happened recently near 40th and Oregon Avenues. Reporter Sonia Goins has more details.
Recently, the New Hope Public Works Department had to replace 2 stop signs twice after someone plastered stickers and graffiti tags over the signs. This happened just north of Lions Park.
What it was a combination of markers and stickers. These were apparently stickers that just could not be easily removed. So there was some extensive work and replacement of these signs.
Captain Flosson says traffic sign vandalism is a serious concern since it can lead to an increase in unsafe driving behaviors. The criminal act also puts pedestrians at risk, especially this time of year when winter weather can make it a challenge to see.
If it's an intersection where someone is used to traffic stopping and they're not able to see that stop sign, it could be dangerous.
Police are still looking for the person or persons responsible for the vandalism. If you have any information, call police. In New Hope, Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Local mayors submitted a letter this week to Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman, calling on his office to revisit policy changes when it comes to prosecuting crimes. The letter includes the signatures of mayors from Maple Grove, New Hope, Crystal, Brooklyn Park, and Plymouth. It goes on to say, quote, "There is a sense of lawlessness and a lack of accountability that is stemming from criminals who commit crimes and are then being turned back to the street in short order with little to or no consequence, and that conduct is repeated." Local police chiefs have echoed those concerns, saying there's, quote, "a lack of involvement or partnership with the Hennepin County Attorney's Office in addressing the rise of crime." They point to increases in shootings, auto theft, burglaries, street racing, and vehicles fleeing from police. The letter calls on the Attorney's Office to revisit policy changes on bail for 19 felony crimes and the prosecution of crimes in Hennepin County. Food shelves in our area continue to see increased need and fewer volunteers during the pandemic.
With the winter months, of course, and the COVID cases on the rise, folks need a place for healthy and nutritious food. So the need is higher, and we've been exceptionally busy.
The CEAP food shelf delivered nearly 70,000 meals to homebound neighbors through Meals on Wheels in 2021, and they plan to build onto that program to feed more seniors in 2022. Expect to see fundraising and more programming for a mobile food program this next year. The food shelf CEAP is celebrating 50 years of serving the community this year. As COVID wears on, leaders in the healthcare industry are talking about a worker shortage crisis. During a healthcare roundtable discussion on Thursday, a Robbinsdale ICU nurse explains how workers are trying to handle the shortage.
We've had like 37% leave our individual ICU as it is for various reasons. But it's a slippery slope because as you get shorter and shorter, people are taking on more and more and more and more stress. And they can't do it. You know what I mean? They need a change.
Mary Turner works in the COVID ICU at North Memorial Health Hospital. She believes more consistent schedules will help attract more workers. Healthcare leaders say better wages is another answer.
Our answer is livable wages. We have a lot of new Americans in our positions. We have a lot of moms with young kids at home that have been working 2 jobs and can't do it anymore, especially with distance learning. So we need to look very carefully about prioritizing the whole healthcare continuum because when we're broke, it ripples to everyone.
Minnesota has a record number of job vacancies. About 205,000 jobs are available. About 20% of those are in healthcare. The city of Plymouth is increasing preventative action to stop the spread of a destructive tree insect killing off ash trees. The emerald ash borer insect continues to be a problem. You can see here examples of the damages it causes to ash trees. The city of Plymouth plans to slow its spread by increasing removal of ash trees in wooded areas adjacent to city-owned trails. Currently, there are more than 900 ash trees identified for removal in the city. The city will then plant seedlings and disperse seeds in appropriate locations to supplement tree growth of impacted wooded areas. A Golden Valley man got to put his knowledge to the test on Wednesday, and he did it all on national television.
This is Jeopardy! Let's meet today's contestants. a software engineer. From Golden Valley, Minnesota, Mike Parks.
In daily life, Mike Parks runs a YouTube channel specializing in video game design. He said he has just shy of 200,000 subscribers, and he's been at that for about 3 years. In the Jeopardy game that aired on Wednesday, he finished in second place. The Plymouth Fire and Ice Winter Festival is on Saturday, and the first clue in the Medallion hunt is out. It reads, 12 years old, this treasure hunt now is fun for families, adults, and kids. Brave the weather and get outside. Finding the Fire and Ice Medallion would bring much pride. The medallion is hidden on city property, and it is hidden in such a way that it's not out in the open, so it could be under the snow. A $250 prize goes to the finder of the medallion, and you do have to live in Plymouth to win. The next clue will be released next Wednesday. And the winter weather remains cold, but we could catch a break on Saturday with temperatures warming up before plunging right back down again. We'll be right back.